and enter here. Stop loss above where it needs to be. We're in. Stop loss above. What's up, YouTube? This is day number 6, I think, or our second take at day 6 for the XFA with Alpha Futures. Okay, let's dial in here. Yo, and then randomly at some point throughout the day, we are going to do those draws as well. Step number 1 in today, we're going to take a look what the news is. Click Alt F4 maybe. Dude, no. Oh my God, Trump speaking again today. Okay, well, we got news at 8 a.m. So with our trade zealous stats, we know that we are damn near 100% after 8 a.m. Let's continue on that train. All right, let's get going here. So number 1, we're going to start with high time frame bias. Weekly. All right, let's get rid of some drawings. Holy dump city, boys. It is crazy what happened yesterday. But we'll take it. We'll take it not taking a trade. Like, let's go. W patience. Daily bearish. Holy. Here we go. We might catch a nasty trail stop here, you guys. It could get sticky. It could get gross. Okay. 1 hour. Recently breaking the trend, but we got some room. The closest imbalance that we haven't inversed anyway is just up here. So maybe play a little bit of a retrace today. West starting to be freaky. Dude. Already on early morning is crazy. Yeah. Yo. Haven't even had my coffee yet, Amir. L Reader? Yo. Dude. That's fucked. 15-minute. Whole lot of the same. I mean, it's just a stretched 1 hour. Nothing I really want to mention so far, though. I would have liked if we actually swept these lows, but sweeping these lows are just as good. We get a reaction here. Definitely orders were filled. Look at how full these candles are. We get 3 super full candles in a row, and then a wick down, very bullish candle close. Like, there is some floating orders right here. We have our Asia session low right here. Nice, and it's already marked out in red. Asia session low, or Asia session high, pardon me, is taken. We got London right here. We got London high up here. Nice. Let's go mark those out on MES as well. Wes, can you fill me up with the bias? What? Yeah, I can fill you in for sure. Our bias is kind of bearish for right now. All our high time frames have flipped bearish. London low right here. London high up here. Which one's higher? Oh, these are equal highs. Ooh. Okay, well, we're gonna do our high time frame SMT checks here. What do we want to see though? We want to see, ideally, we want to see London session high taken right at market open here on one of these indices, only one of them. Creating a high time frame SMT. We scale down to the 5 or 1, find that low time frame SMT. And then we just trail a short from there. Okay, there's no real bearish SMT pointing us towards the downside here. So I honestly think we just have to wait for our low time frame and hope that this gets taken out maybe the next 15-minute candle. Now it's just a waiting game. And enter here. Stop loss above where it needs to be. We're in. Stop loss above. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm just gonna grab my water that I forgot to bring. Oh, I'm actually gonna go get a Gato, boys. I'm going to get a Gatorade. I'll be right back. Yes, dude. Let's go. Would prefer a red Gato, but shit, we'll take that. Sultan. Account pass? Dude, let's go. Boys, I really want to see what happens with this PMI. I'm excited. In the meantime, though, should we do a one of the giveaway? We're going to do this one, and then we're going to do the Discord reaction giveaway as well. How does one enter? You're going to go to... Here, we're going to flip this over here. You're going to go to giveaways, and then I took the last entry to this draw yesterday at midnight, so 2 p.m. Eastern. Boys, the whole Discord has kind of been on a generational run recently. There's our news. Let's go. West before trading. Cooked. Okay, let's catch a banger here. We have nice, juicy 5-minute imbalance. No real 1 minute fair value gap lines up with it, but the only one that is made would be this one. It's worth out. That's worth marking out anyway. Next one would be right here. Yo, that's actually dangerous. Inverse fair value gap, close at CE, close below. I'm not taking this because I need to see more, but how banger would this be? Where's our 1-to-1? Okay, chill out, chill out, chill out. Take off without me. Come on, man. You serious? We need at least a 1-to-1 risk reward here. How much is our 19 points? Cooked. Ran away on me. I wanted to target internal high. Low time frame bullish or bearish SMT. Bro, I always think of the Duke clip. That is every single time I read that, that's what I think of. L reader, when he's reading that, like, I got robbed the other day, and then they start fucking laughing. Hell yeah, H. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. If it gets respected here now, like, I'm fine with taking a trade. But stops would have to be above this thing right here. This might get super dangerous, boys. This might get super dangerous. If it has a bearish close, I'm actually... We'll take an entry here. We're in. Stop loss above. Where it needs to be, above the highs. We get a close below the equilibrium of the candle. And we wick off CE again. It's pretty decent wick off CE. We're going to trail stops here because our high time frame is bearish. Get a good candle close at least. Oh, fuck. Cooked. Low risk though, 170. I'm fine with taking a look at another trade. Okay, this might get dangerous, boys. This might get dangerous. Does this hit, chat? I think so, Roche. I think so. I think that's a great trade for you. We close through this, making a 1 minute inverse fair value gap here. Do we respect the inverse fair value gap though? Okay, a little shotgun candle. I don't mind that. Holy, that's some movement though. That's some movement. Low time frame bearish SMT. Low time frame or high time frame. Not high time frame bearish SMT, but we have respected this 1 hour fair value gap crazy, which was a result of a 1 hour bearish SMT. Way up here. Come back up here so I can get an entry. That is so cooked, bro. An enter here. Stop loss above where it needs to be. And if we just don't hit this, that's probabilities. Like, we did everything we needed to do, and that's ridiculous. That is so crazy. Whatever. Okay, that's fine. That's wild.